Welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen, and if you're new here, my name is Jen, and today we are going to make breakfast burritos. This is one of the recipes I made when I bought that whole rotisserie chicken, divided into 3 pieces, and then I shredded the meat, and then I made 3 kinds of dishes out of that one whole rotisserie chicken. Now this is a very convenient way to have a really nice breakfast in the morning. So I wrap them in tortilla and then I'm going to fry them. But if you don't want to fry them, you can just eat them and just like that. It's just like a wrap because the chicken is cooked with bell peppers, some onions and spices, and then I added like some scrambled eggs and cheese. So it's really a hearty breakfast and it will fill you up. So let's go ahead and start this breakfast burritos. First, we're gonna combine all our spices. There's chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of dried oregano, and for a little heat, we add red chili pepper flakes and of course salt, and then set it aside. And then we're gonna chop our veggies. I use 1 bell pepper. I like to use red bell pepper and then yellow onion. And also we are going to make scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs just add more protein to our breakfast burrito. And then you're gonna heat the pan, you're gonna add the eggs and scramble the eggs, and then you're going to set it aside until we're ready to saute everything. And then you're gonna use another pan, a clean pan, and then you add more oil, and then we're gonna saute the onion and then the bell pepper and then all the spices we're gonna add in, stir to combine, and then we're gonna add our rotisserie chicken. Or you can cook your chicken to your likings and then shred them and add them to the mixture. And then we're gonna wrap it with tortillas. I use flour tortilla. It's really nice when you fry the flour tortillas. Now we're ready to fry our breakfast burritos. First, you heat the pan with oil, and then once it's heated, then you're going to add your burritos. Now make sure that you place it seam side down so it doesn't open when you cook them, and then make sure that it is sealed well. And then you're going to brown these breakfast burritos on all sides. Okay, my friends, try this recipe, then come back to this video and let me know in the comments how it went for you. If you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.